What's poppin', y'all? It's ReeBaybe back with another video. One time for the one time. Go ahead and subscribe. I am making this frontal wig into a closure wig. I don't think that I ever seen this be done. So yeah, I kind of figured it out in my head. So I'm about to show y'all. So this is the wig. It's been worn like 2 times, like applied 2 times. Now I'm about to cut off this frontal, the whole frontal piece. Okay, bet that's done. It's all cut off. Now I take one of the wig caps from the beauty supply store, not the ones that go under your wigs, but the ones that you use to make wigs. And you're gonna go ahead and sew your closure on the top, how you normally would do if you were making the wig. Now take that wig that you just cut the frontal off and place that on the cap. Pin it down real good in the middle and on the side so it stays secure. Okay, and now you're just gonna sew. Start from the middle and go side by side, and make sure your stitches are close together. Yeah, so all you need for this whole little situation is a wig cap, a closure, and your old wig, and one bundle, and you should be fine. Okay, now you're going to take your bundle and you're going to sew it on that blank little spot that you see. Also, make sure that you have a wig head that's the size of your client's head or your head. So this is a 22-inch wig head, so that your wig fits your client's head or your head. If you know me, you know I'm not the best at weaves, so like in my head this was the best way to make the bundles fall. I think that yeah, I think this is what people do. I'm a wig specialist, like applying the wigs, and I buy the hair. I don't do this. So the most I'll really do is replace a frontal or closure on your wig. I'm not like get on that sewing machine and making your whole wig. That's doing too much. Like, I don't care if you're trying to pay me $1,000. I don't care. That's too much. I am not an experienced sewer, so I'm not gonna fold my tracks. I'm gonna cut every track as I go so that it lays very flat. Okay, I might have just did something right here, okay? Look how that's laying. I'm a pro. Stop playing with me. But yeah, I literally just figured this out in my head. Like, y'all, I'm smart. I should have went to college. Okay, I did the other side off camera, but yeah, we're done now. Now that you're done, you're going to take it off the mannequin head and you're going to cut all that excess cap off. And you're done. Okay, so your wig should look like this at the end. I'm about to show you right now. If I would hurry up and cut this off. Okay, yeah, it should look like this. Okay, this came straight from my cranium. Okay, I did that. This is just basically filling in the space where the frontal used to be. Make sure y'all like this video if you actually do like it, and subscribe. Support your girl. Okay, bye.